You gonna go get it? Good job! Good job! He's kind of angry right now. He's been having a crying jag, so he's still got a little... Good job! Good job, go get it. Run, go get it. Oh, you're passing a whole bunch of them. Okay, go. Come on, put it back. Oh, good job. Throw the ball. I throw it to you? Good job. Here, let's put it up here. Go hit the bat. Yay! Here. Put it back up there. Okay, there you go. Yay! Okay, you gotta get up to it without hitting it first. Can you stand up and get up there without there you go. Yay! You get it? Are you being lazy? Yay! Yeah, you're a good fielder, huh? Oh, thank you for the ball. Oh, there we go. He knows to get the bat. Oh, good job! Yay! Can we only play with that one? Good job. Good job. Okay, there you go. Yay! It's a good fielder. You're a good fielder, huh? Oh, you want me to put it on there? Okay. Yay! Yay! Jen, what's up? What's that noise? Yay! Yay! You want me to put it up there? Yay! There's balls all over. You done? You done? Was that it? Oh, maybe not. Yay, thank you. Thank you. Say bye-bye. 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 Can you say it? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 Can you say it again? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.